Since the start of the new millennium, the world has experienced a succession of the warmest years on record. Now scientists say it is extremely likely these unprecedented high global temperatures have been caused by human emissions from the burning of fossil fuels such as coal and oil. It comes just days after NASA confirmed 2015 was the hottest year on record, with temperatures rising 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius, above those seen before industrialization. The latest study claims it is extremely unlikely that 13 of the 15 hottest years to have occurred since records began 150 years ago would happen since 2000 due to natural variability. This, they said, suggests it is 600 to 130,000 times more likely than not that human activities and their influence on the climate have caused this record-breaking run of hot weather. Professor Stefan Rahmstorf, a physicist at the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research, in Germany, said, "Natural climate variations just can't explain the observed recent global heat records, but man-made global warming can. It has led to unprecedented local heat waves across the world, sadly resulting in loss of life and aggravating droughts and wildfires. The risk of heat extremes has been multiplied due to our interference with the Earth system, as our data analysis shows." The researchers, whose work is published in the journal Scientific Reports, analyzed real-world measurements and combined them with computer simulations of the global climate. This, they continued, allowed them to work out how the climate may have behaved if there had not been any human greenhouse gas emissions. The results show the odds of human activity being behind the recent spate of record-breaking annual global temperatures are far higher than previously believed. Previous studies conducted in 2015 suggested that the odds of 9 of the 10 hottest years occurring since 2000 being due to natural variation in the climate were 650 million to 1. But the new study found the odds have narrowed, with the odds now being 1 in 5,000. They also found the odds of 13 of the 15 hottest years occurring since 2000 due to natural variation were 1 in 170,000. Dr. Michael Mann, a climate scientist at Pennsylvania State University who was the lead author of the new study, said, "Natural climate variability causes temperatures to wax and wane over a period of several years, rather than varying erratically from one year to the next. That makes it more challenging to accurately assess the chance likelihood of temperature records. Given the recent press interest, it just seemed like it was important to do this right, and address, in a defensible way, the interesting and worthwhile question of how unlikely it is that the recent run of record temperatures might have arisen by chance alone. It comes after new figures published by the Met Office, NASA, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, showed 2015 was the hottest year on record. Global temperatures were 1.35 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.75 degrees Celsius, above the long-term average for 1961 and 1990 and was the hottest year to be recorded since records began in 1850. Professor Rahmstorf added, 2015 is again the warmest year on record, and this can hardly be by chance.